Well, this is an extension on my previous video. If I not ended that, it would run into a fairly long video. So I thought I would do this and make this separate. Of course, there's all my wonderful stickers up there. But let's let, of course, Lily out. And then, of course, I have to do Jessie's enclosure for him. Hello? Hello, sweetie. I know you've been waiting, have you not, to come on out today? Hey? You've been waiting to come on out? Hey? Are you just going to go on up to your favourite spot, or you're going to say hello to Mum first for a minute? Hey? No, I might get a minute, might no, if I'm very lucky. Yes, it's been a don't you know, anything with Sia. If you do shower, change, all the rest of it, though, guys, she's cleared of anything that would be, you know, harmful to my other snakes. That was all perfect. She's just got an upper respiratory. It's not on her lower lung at all, or on her lung. It's just upper, which is, of course, certainly wonderful. And the mouth infection. So, you know, I've still got to maintain good hygiene with all of that at the moment. Of course, did I need to put her down into my room and away from my snakes? No, not at all. You know, Sia's been with me for 9 months, 10 months now, or coming up to a year actually. Wow, that time has flown. But overall, no, she has absolutely nothing that is going to hurt my other snakes. Of course, you know, body fluids, etc. from the RI, yeah, you've got to be careful, and I am. So I don't touch Sia generally until the evening. That's when I do Sia, because my day is, I never know which snake, what snake might want to come on out and have time out with me. So evenings are best with Sia. Where do you think you might be going, my girl? Because you're not going to go down there at all. But I want to talk about intelligence and what defines intelligence, and who are we to make assumptions that snakes don't have any. A lot of people, Jed, I don't want to yell in your faces, guys. A lot of people have the opinion of, you know, they're instinctual. So that's their level of intelligence. And I don't believe that at all. I do not believe that at all. I think a snake, of course, that never gets to come out, explore, spend time with you, etc., their intelligence is on the lesser. Absolutely. But I also know they have intelligence enough to learn things from us and to understand the things that we're requesting of them. And you can request things from your snake. You know, the nose that are necessary to keep them safe. You be consistent enough with that. No, you can't go there. No, you're not going behind there. No, I'm not letting you go over there. They understand. And Jack, extremely so much Jack, is of that understanding to where now he doesn't go anywhere that he should not go, or very rarely will attempt it. Lily, different personality, different snake, different everything about Lily. She will try it to see if she can get away with it. And that is all that it is with Lily. It is about her trying it. That's not because she's not intelligent enough to know that she shouldn't. That's her being intelligent enough to know, can I get away with it? That's how I see it. Not a dumb snake that will just go there to go there. She's going there because it's out of bounds. I can see the wheels turning in her head, her body language, the whole lot. She will go down somewhere that she knows she's not allowed to do, and she starts going down and she pauses. And pauses. And I know why she's pausing. I'm going to hear Mum go, no, don't. That's what she's waiting for. She's waiting for me to say something because that's what she expects. I'm going somewhere where I shouldn't be going, and any minute now I'm going to get caught. But if I do it really, really slow, maybe she won't notice. That is intelligence, guys, not stupidness. You know, I have toilet trained my biggest snakes. I've been slack. I'm guilty of being slack at the moment. I have, I always say to you, my snakes are a priority in my life, and they are. They are so important to me, their well-being, that they're okay, all of those things. But sometimes other things come along the way, such as the humans in my life that take even a priority over, like getting Jesse outside to go to the toilet, and I knew he needed to go to the toilet. But there's priorities, and I have to, I have to do that at times. Jesse will be fine. I will clean it out, I'll disinfect it all, he'll get to come out, he'll get to have time out, he's going to be okay. Of course, I can only say it happens. I'm not perfect. I'm definitely not perfect, but I do enjoy being able to share my snakes with you all, and probably at times talk about things that you think, no, that isn't, no, snakes aren't like that, snakes don't do that, snakes can't think that, snakes can't feel that. And that's why I keep making my videos, and I will keep on saying, yes, snakes can. All of the above. They most certainly can. And every one of my videos is, in a way, cataloguing all of that. I think about writing a book. To, where are you? Where is you? There you are. And I will, guys. I am definitely in that mind think to write a book, but my videos are a visual book, Excuse me for a minute. Okay, we're back. Not for long though. Busy, busy, busy. And as you can see, Lily has paused and been paused there for a while, and I haven't done anything. Have I, Lil? But now I am. And you're not allowed down there, are you, Lil? Sorry if you can't see her. But here she goes. You're going up. You're not really looking at. She's probably thinking, I wasn't really ready to head on up top at the moment, Mum, but if that's what you're going to do to me, then I guess I will go. My lawnmower man's arrived. So that's poop patrol for me. You're gonna slither your little fat belly through that gap, aren't you? Of course I can. At this point she can. Jack couldn't, but she can, and she knows she can. So, intelligence. How do we define that with our snakes? Watching them, observing, taking notes, doing things with them, showing them things, teaching them things. Can they learn? How will you know if you never do anything? You never try to show them anything. And until you do, and until you've done it, I guess don't say anything. Don't say one way or the other. It's rather than saying no they can't, no they don't, and that's bull, and so forth, give it a go. Yes, like I said, takes time. Doesn't happen overnight. It isn't a matter of show them once, then they've got it. I tell you what, show them a few times, then they'll get it. Then they'll understand. Because they're pretty quick at learning. Are you not, Lil? You're not a silly snake at all. In no way. Actually, sometimes I think she's smarter than me. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, and your snakes, and all your animals. And it's all the animals that has got me on poop patrol today, before the lawnmower man knows. Ciao.